is this place?
There, at the Carabao Bar. Hey Brian, what are you doing there?
Sige, unsay naa diri nga ano? Unsay naa diri sa lugar?
This is actually the proposed Glacian Park. It is an ecotourism park where you can find a lot of animals there, no? The carabaos, the buffaloes, goats, sheep, lambs, and then for the children to, for them to learn and see what are these. And so, as you can see, we have a very great view here, and we're trying to build a structure here up the hill as our resting area or relaxation area after the long hard trip from the city. So this is a project of the provincial government as well as of the office of the Congresswoman Ann Hofer, and we are looking forward to making this place one of the best tourist destinations in the Philippines. So probably not only in the Philippines but for the entire nation. So we invite you to come and see our Glacian Park here in Titay, for this is a very nice place for you to learn and for you to view. So I think that's all for now. Goodbye.